Hello viewers, welcome to this channel once again, and in this exciting video we are going to try and create an amazing gift. In this festive season you don't have only gifts that we buy from stores. You can try and also create some nice package from your loved ones. So in this video I'm going to show us how to create a very simple and nice gesture for our loved ones. So I'll launch my Photoshop app. Okay, then I'll create a new file. I'm going with the inches 4, then 4 by 4. Okay, for both height and the width. Let me increase my page size. Okay, so I'll first import. It's just going to be a simple thing, a heart and a person's name. Okay, so I'll first import the heart I'm going to use. Okay, I downloaded a picture of a heart. I think this is it. Yes, so I'll first import it in. I'll rasterize it and use the magic eraser to I'll rasterize it, then remove the background. And this part I can use the eraser tool to quickly clear it off. Okay, so I'll transform this one out. I'll transform it and rotate it. Okay, something like this is very cool. Okay, then quickly I add the person's name just beneath it. So I'll be using my Diftech for this one. I'll change the fonts to a color I can see. Currently it's black. Okay, so I'll change it to something I can see. So Diftech here. Okay, so with the font I'm actually going to try out different fonts out here. Okay, I have these cool fonts. Okay, I have this. I want to use a very stylish font for this work. Okay, so I think I'll go with this one, Antara Distance, as you can see here. Okay, then we come to the character panel and increase the spacing. Okay, so if this is it, Diftech. Okay, now I'll come to the move tool, then on the keyboard hit Ctrl+A. Okay, so I'll make sure I center it vertically, same with the heart as well. Okay, then I'll deselect. Now I'll bring in my final resource. Okay, something to fit in the text. So I downloaded this Ankara Kente cloth. Okay, so I'll rasterize this one as well. Let me put it on the text, then create a clipping mask. Okay, so something like this, but I can choose to add a little bit of flow to this heart. Okay, I can choose to duplicate it. Okay, then transform the second one. Choose to transform it in a way that will show more affection. Okay, so let me transform it out. Hope you're following. Something like this. Okay, then afterwards I'll create a bevel and emboss. Okay, I'll increase this depth to about 225, and then the size to, let's say, 8 is okay. Then the color, I'll make it light red. Okay, shouldn't be okay, something like this. Then I'll choose okay. Then afterwards I'll copy the effects I did for it. So I'll press and hold Alt and pull to this one as well, and the effect shows on that. So this is just a simple design. You can easily change the name to anything that you want. Maybe Ama, you are good to go. Akosia, Kwesi, and so much more. You can choose, you can use a different font if you want. I have another font here, Saginaw. Okay, that one is also perfect for this kind of stylish work. Okay, so you can use that one too. And let's see, the italic one. You can use this one as well. Anyone works for you. You can just quickly use it and you make it. This is the armor, very stylish. You can use it for your work. So any font that works out for you. There are so many stylish fonts. I even have another one here. Let me try that one before I end this video. Halaney Demo. Okay, this one is also cool. I think I'm going to leave it with this. Oh no, this is also cool. So this is how I'll end my video. You can choose to modify it any way you like. Okay, just show your love in a simple way. Do this for a friend and the friend will be very happy. This is enough as a Christmas gift. Not always that we have to spend something. I know our pockets are dry this Christmas. People are complaining. Yeah, so something like this is enough for all your loved ones. It just takes about 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and you are done. Okay, so I wish you farewell and Merry Christmas in advance. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you once again and goodbye.